I got a tool change. What are you going to be taking the spindle up to speed-wise?
On this application is like 1,300 RPMs for that drill. When this is done catching it up, then it'll go into an 8,000 or 9,000 RPM.
Oh, on this same part?
Yeah,
so
on the next tool.
It's going to do another tool change?
I'm going to stop it and make it do a tool change. This is just, they ran these parts last night and they didn't run them deep enough. And I'm just trying to catch it up and get the floors where they need to be so I can start running the finishes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Cool, groovy. Oh, I'm sorry.
And it's just going and taking the last 45 out of the whole depth right now.
That's fine.